I've just seen a festive pie in a tin at Home Bargains. I thought I'm going to grab one, we're going to put it in the air fryer and we're going to see how this tastes. Right, let's jump straight into it. And welcome back to the channel everybody. One air fryer too many. Do me a favour, hit that subscribe notifications. Thanks very much. Right, today, like I've just said, a Fray Bentos pie taking me back to my childhood. Back in the 80s and 90s, a pie in a tin was all the rage. Right, I've never seen this festive turkey version and I've not had a Fray Bentos pie for absolutely years. Probably, I'm going to say 35 years, no, 30 years easily since I've had one of these. So I thought, you know what, let's get it. The $1.99 currently at Home Bargains. So if you've never seen these before, or you're in a country where these don't even exist, this is an entire pie, the pastry, everything in a tin. All we need to do is take the lid off and put it in the air fryer. 25 minutes and we should be good and have a Fray Bentos festive turkey pie. All you're going to need is can opener and then we're going to put it in. So I'm going to move you in closer and then we'll see how this bad boy turns out. So this is how it looks close up, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to get it open. Good test for my tin opener, my no sharp edge tin opener. I love this thing. If it works for this tin, who knows? Never tried it on this tin. Yes, look at that, no sharp edges. Genuinely, probably the best $12.99 I ever spent. Link in the description. Right, so this is what it looks like. Looks pretty awful, if I'm honest, to start with. Basically just puff pastry. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go into the air fryer. Close it up. Let's move it a bit closer. Turn it on. Drawer number 2, because that heats from the bottom and the top on this. Check out the unboxing video if you've not watched it yet. This is the Cosori Turbo Tower Pro. I'm going to put it on 200 for 25 minutes. And I'm going to press go. Right, join me in 25 minutes when we can taste this delicious pie. Right, there we have it, it's finished. Let's have a look at this pie. Oh my god. Pie in a tin. Right, I am gonna probe it just to make sure that it is hot enough. Listen to that crunchy pastry, oh my word, yes. We're at 99, well, 101 degrees, so basically napalm inside. Get it out. There we have it. A festive turkey pie from a tin, done in the air fryer in 25 minutes. Right, I've got the chief taste tester with me. Let's see what he thinks of this. Right, what do you think of that, boy?
Yeah.
Look alright?
Yeah.
Alright, should we dig in and let's have a little taste. Wow, that pastry is pretty good. Question is, what does it taste like? Right, let's get some of this out for you. It's going to be super duper hot. So you're going to have to blow on this a little bit.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Right, blow on it. Pastry, any good? Crunchy? Pastry's good. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Did you have that again?
Yeah.
It says yeah. These would be cracking in the camper van. So if you go away as an emergency in the drawer somewhere in your camper van, and if you are interested in camper vans, check out my other channel, Camper Van Chaos Crew, where I'm currently converting a Fiat Ducato ex Cadent Gas workshop van into a luxurious family camper van. Head over to that channel and give it a subscribe for me. We're going to be taking the air fryer on the road with us and doing some air fryer videos as well while we're out and about, and we have got a major road trip and a bit of a foodie trip planned as well for next summer, so make sure you're hitting subscribe on both channels so you don't miss another video. Hit me up in the comments, have you got one of these pies, have you had one? For me it tastes pretty good, but you can't beat the original steak and kidney Fray Bentos Pie. Let me know in the comments, have you tried one of these, or are you going to head out now and get one? What would you serve it with? Pie and peas? Check out my Aldi double cheeseburger pie taste test as well, just here next to me, and see what I thought of that as well. It can't be that bad because it's going in for seconds. Right, until next time guys, I'll see you again next week for another air fry video.